We all want solutions to build more housing in Ontario. Premier Doug Ford says the Fighting Delays, Building Faster Act will boost the economy and speed up housing. But removing Toronto's Green Roof Bylaw could have serious unintended consequences. This change threatens a $75 million industry, 1,600 jobs, and the livelihoods of nearly 5,000 Ontarians, from nurseries to metal fabricators, in both rural and urban communities. In 2024, flooding and sewage overflows caused over $1 billion in damages across Ontario. Green roofs help prevent that, managing more than 500 million liters of rainfall every year in Toronto, reducing floods and protecting our lakes and rivers. They're quick to permit, fast to build, and cost less than 0.05% of a downtown building's total cost. Green roofs aren't slowing us down. They're part of the solution, creating jobs, supporting communities, and building a resilient future. Let's build faster and smarter. Green roofs are resilient, innovative, creating Ontario jobs.